show surprise, right? Hey, can you lower the price? Bob, you've had the pricing for 2 months now. What's changed? It's okay for you to show surprise. Why? You're following the Easton University sales methodology. That is not, I can't give you a price until you jump through a hoop, give me blood, take a lie detector test, and spin around 7 times. We're giving our price out when? Early and often. And even if we can't give them a exact price, we're giving them, hey, based on my understanding and what you've laid out here, this is something that we fix all day, every day. This is what we can help you. This is what we do. Right? In ballpark, what it's going to cost for us to get the mission accomplished for you is going to be around $11,000 to $15,000 per month, depending on what we figure out as we continue to scope. Right? I want to get the price out early. That positions me perfectly when that prospect asks for a discount to act surprised. Hey, we started talking about this over 3 weeks ago, and we had discussed that our services range from $11,000 to $15,000. What's changed, right? What's changed? You're putting it back in their court.